Welcome back everyone to this tutorial about SQL. So what is SQL or SQL? SQL or Structured Query Language is the standard means of manipulating and querying objects and data in relational databases. And there are 5 types of SQL commands. The first part is Data Definition Language or DDL. And this part of commands is used to create, update, and drop a database and its objects like tables, views, and indexes. So, this part is mainly used for dealing with database objects, not with data. The second part is Data Manipulation Language or DML. And this part is used to manipulate data, such as insert, update, or delete data in tables. Third part is Data Control Language or DCL. And this part is to control users' access to data. Grant and revoke statements are some examples to either grant or revoke access to a certain user. That's to say, not all users have the same level of access. Some of them have full control, so they can create, drop databases, tables, and data. However, some users have only read access and not to all data. The fourth part is called Data Transaction Language DTL. In some cases, we want to execute SQL commands as a package. So either all of them executed or cancelled. So commit to commit all the package and roll back to original case. And the fifth type is Data Query Language or DQL. And this part is used to retrieve data from tables. And the main statement here is select. So select everything from a table name to retrieve data from a certain table or multiple tables. And this chart to review all the 5 types. First is the DDL, Data Definition Language, to create, drop, alter, or truncate a database or a table. DML, Data Manipulation Language, to insert, update, and delete data. DCL is to control users' access to databases. Transaction Control Language, to manipulate transactions such as commit, rollback, and save point commands. And finally, Data Query Language, which is select statement. This is what we are going to cover for data analysis purpose. And SQL is not a case sensitive. Either upper or lower case is fine. However, for conventional purpose, SQL commands are written in the upper case. Though SQL is standard in all database management systems, every database management system has its syntax additions and extensions. So there are some tiny differences between SQL versions and database management systems. And Microsoft SQL has its own additions and extensions. In this course, we are going to focus on Transact SQL or T-SQL, and this is the Microsoft SQL Server's version. And that's what you are going to see in the next lessons. So stay tuned.